Hey guys, my name is Christina Nietzsche. I'm a live streamer on the Amazon platform. Please make sure that you follow me in order to see live demonstrations at www.christinanietzsche.live. Today, we're going to be talking about the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This is actually a 1500 watt motor base. So you're going to be able to crush ice efficiently and also make those amazing smoothies, among other amazing recipes. The first thing that this comes with is the extra large, it's actually a 72 ounce total crushing pitcher. This is actually great for making large batches for the whole family. One thing to note is that this does fit 64 ounces of max liquid. The professional Ninja system also comes with an 8-cup precision processor bowl. So you can do things like hummus, also chop fruits and veggies and nuts. This thing has 2 different blades. So you've got your chopping, slicing, and dicing blade, and you also have your mixing blade, which is good for basically mixing doughs and other things that you don't need to chop. This also comes with 2 24-ounce single serving cups with spout lids. That makes this an easy way to make single serve smoothies and take them on the go. This unique blending cup on the bottom actually lets you attach this directly, and then when you're done, you unscrew this and then just replace it with your to-go top.